Hey guys, just a quick update. I'm in the throes of doing voiceover in Diecast Race Wars Tournament 1. It's all locked and loaded into Final Cut Pro X. It's a big job. It's a big beast of an edit, this one. I've been called away for work and I won't be back until maybe Thursday. So I'm hoping to have this finished and knocked out tonight, but I'm not going to promise anything. I do apologise for that because I did say it would be out either today or tomorrow. But let me just see how I go. And I've recently just bought a new voiceover mic. This is called the NT USB and it just plugs straight into your computer. It is a beautiful sounding mic. It comes with a it's going to fall over. Comes with a really nice stand, and as I say, it just plugs into your computer. It's got a beautiful windscreen. It's got some nice foam here to stop all the pops, and this is where I do my voiceovers. This is a very echoey room, as you can probably hear, and this knocks out the echo. And by the way, this is not that expensive. I paid 188 bucks Aussie for this, and it is really a great mic. So if you're thinking about doing voiceover for your productions, whether it's racing or something like that, definitely have a look at this. I was using this, just hang on a sec. Where is it? I've been using this little mic for years with everything. I actually travel with this just in case I need an extra input. This is the Zoom HN1. This is a fantastic little mic. The only problem with it is handheld, it becomes very noisy. And I've just dropped this, hang on a sec. And it also needs to have a pop wind filter, which they don't really make for it. So this is actually off another microphone. And then also, if you are using the Zoom HN1, this is a cheap alternative. This is like, I forget how much it was. It might have been $100. But to use this, you need to buy a pop filter, which goes in front to stop all the pops. It goes in front of so it's a bit hard to film with one-handed. This pop filter goes in front of this, meaning that goes behind. And so when you talk into it, it stops all the wind going through and hitting the mic, and that causes, ugliness. So, but this little guy, the Rode NT USB 1, she's rocking, dudes. This is awesome. This is one beautiful kit. I can just leave it plugged into my computer. It's got a volume switch here, and it also has a headphone output, and you can adjust that if you need to wear a headphone. I don't. I just do my voiceover straight into Final Cut Pro X, and then it just goes straight on the timeline, as you can see here. That's my voiceover, and then I compress it and do all other bits and pieces. So anyway, I'm rattling on. Diecast Race Wars Tournament 1. I really hope to have it up tonight. If not, I do apologise. It's not going to happen until Thursday, so you just have to be patient. Work has to come first. So anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later.